Your year with ChatGPT is here. This experience is a reflection of how you used ChatGPT across the past year. The questions you asked, the ideas you explored, the systems you built, the moments you came back to think things through. Your year with ChatGPT is now rolling out to everyone in the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, New Zealand, and Australia who have reference saved memory and reference chat history turned on. If you're eligible, all you need to do is make sure your app is updated. Once you begin, you'll see a snapshot of your year, your chat stats, the patterns in how you work, the way you move from ideas to execution. You'll see an archetype that reflects how you use ChatGPT, not as a novelty, but as a tool for building, planning, and refining systems. You'll see moments from your year expressed visually and poetically. A reminder that progress is rarely loud. It happens quietly, across drafts, iterations, and persistence. This isn't about productivity for its own sake. It's about reflection. About seeing how small questions turn into meaningful work. How weekend experiments became signature projects. How patience with process shaped outcomes. Across all the drafts, rabbit holes, and half-formed ideas, this was a place to think clearly and move forward. That's your year with ChatGPT. And whatever comes next, we'll chat about it.